Hi there, students. Are math exams making you nervous? Don't worry. Mindscapes Academy channel is here to help you succeed. This is a place where math meets clarity and problem solving becomes fun. My name is Omoniye Francis and I will be your humble tutor on this channel. Here I will tackle a wide range of problems from everyday puzzles to advanced challenges. I am going to break them down step by step so that everyone can follow along. I am here to build the foundation of students in math. So I will be dealing with low-level math problems, secondary school, high school, advanced level freshmen. So in Mindscapes Academy, we think and we come up with a dream and we work hard towards achieving that dream, towards winning. Therefore, whether it is mastering tricky concepts, solving exam-style problems, or building your math skills, I have got you covered. Every video is designed to make complex topics simple and exam ready so that you can tackle your test with ease and achieve the grades that you deserve. So don't let math hold you back. Subscribe now and let's tackle those exams and tricky problems together. I will see you on the other side. Bye for now.